Recorder functionality. With recorder functionality, you are able to create video scenario of test case. Then you can watch and demonstrate the scenario and generate views that can be used for building of the test script. Click Scenario tab below the scripting area. You can see Record Screen button and Properties button. You can set up properties prior to record a scenario. Frame rate. Frame rate is a frames per second value. If you want to record dynamic application with many events, set higher rate. For static applications, minimal frame rate is okay. Quality is a quality of recording video. If you plan to generate views based on video, then quality should be maximum. Note that higher frame rate and higher quality will significantly increase size of ZAP file. Always on top. This feature remain recorder control panel on top over all other windows. Minimize on record. We'll minimize record control panel to the taskbar during the recording. Click Record Screen button to start recording. Recording starts and views will generate automatically based on alteration of the screen content. Then select Application under test and perform steps that you will need to be done during test scenario. You can click Pause to pause recording. Click Create View to create exact view manually. You can also minimize control panel. After finish of test scenario, you click Stop to finalize recording. You are returning back to ZAPTEST application. You will see views that can be generated on the top of the window and the video itself on the bottom of the ZAPTEST window. Now you can play the video to repeat the scenario. You can see it in the full screen mode, and you can manually generate view from any frame of the current video. On the top panel, you are able to generate views from this video. You can find it in the object repository, and you can start to build a script based on these views immediately. You can also zoom in, zoom out the previews, and you can also remove video and the views if you do not need it anymore. Note, if you generate views to the object repository and then delete video and these previews, you will still have all the objects in the repository, but it significantly reduces the size of the ZAP file.